Hello students, welcome back to your English class. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. And here we are on this page. We are going to begin the poem of your class. First chapter we have done earlier. A beautiful day. Poem. Poem shows poetry, or poem is a part of poetry. Poetry is a spontaneous flow of your feelings, your emotions, whatever you think. Okay. So here, A Beautiful Day is a poem in your syllabus, and it is written by famous poet William Wordsworth. Here see, the name is mentioned at last, William Wordsworth. You know who was he? He was very famous. He was very famous. What? Like what? Like he loved nature very much, and he has written for the nature. Wordsworth was Britain's poet laureate, and he write many of the poem. Lucy was one of the character in the poems. And here, if I talk about this, see the picture. The picture is of nature. See mountains, and the picture is of nature because he loves nature very much. So now you come to know about the poet. Now, a beautiful day. Here we are going to read. A beautiful day. The cock is crowing. The stream is flowing. The cock is crowing. The stream is flowing. The small birds twittering. The lake doth glitter. Twitter. The lake doth glitter. The green field sleeps in the sun. The oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never raising. There are 40 feeding like one. So you can see that some verbs are mentioned here. Some like cock, stream, small words. Someone and everyone is doing something here. The poet depicted a scene of nature where everyone is busy, and the poem is written in March in nature, and this is a nature centric poem. Okay, and he's talk about the activities or the beauty of nature during the change of the season. Okay, here in the beginning lines, the cock is crowing. What the cock is doing? It's crowing. He's creating a beauty. He's creating a scenic beauty. He's describing a scene, means something is going on and he's telling you. Okay, the cock is crowing. It means when the cock crow, can you notice? Have you noticed it? In the morning? Yes. Means the day begins with the sound of cock. Okay. The stream is flowing. A stream is a small river. River is flowing. The small words twitter. Twitter, chirp. The small birds are chirping around here and there. The green field sleeps in the sun. The green field sleeps in the sun, and oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. See, means in the morning in the green fields when sun is just rising and moving out, then strongest, young, oldest, everyone is going to do work in fields. They are there with the strongest, oldest, youngest, everyone is in the field. The cattle are grazing. What the cattle are doing? Cattle are grazing, eating their food, eating the grass, their heads never raising. You have noticed whenever the cattle graze, they never looked up. Cow graze, they never looked up. Why? Because that is their food time. These are 40 feeding like one. 40 feeding like one means they are in group and they all are eating at the same time. Means he had described a scenic beauty. He has described a beautiful scene through his poem, where this is a scene of morning. In the morning, cock is crowing, stream river is flowing, small birds are chirping. Okay, so here the things are mentioned. See here, the words are here. Twitter, make a series of short high sounds, usually words. Words used to twitter in the morning. Glitter, sparkle, shine, shine brightly. Grazing, eating grass in a field. Who were grazing? Cattle. Okay. Who were grazing? Cattle. What was flowing? Stream. Who was twittering? Small birds. Who was crowing? It was cock. Now, next paragraph. Like an army defeated. Okay. Like an army defeated, the snow hath retreated. How? Like an army defeated, the snow had retreated, and now doth fare ill on the top of the bare hill. The ploughboy is whooping, anon, anon. There is joy in mountains, there life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. The rain is over and gone. Like an army defeated, the snow hath retreated. Here, the snow is compared to the defeated army. Like when spring comes, all the snow disappeared, and without the snow, and now doth fare ill on the top of the bare hill. Now, hill is where? Open to change. Where? Without snow. There was snow on the hill, but now when the spring came, when winter ended. ठीक है? So now winter is ended and spring is welcomed. So where hills are here, the ploughboy is whooping. There is joy in mountains. There is life in fountains. A ploughboy is here. In the change of the season, he is going around here and there. He is enjoying, he is singing, and the mountain and fountains both are here coming to life. Mountain, when the snow melts, then bushes and shrubs started to grow. Fountains, when the snow melts, then water came from here and there and it made fountains. In the sky, small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. Small clouds, obviously. In the sky, clouds are moving, and the sky is blue and white clouds are clearly seen. The days of rain, winter, harsh means blue, small clouds means all the dark clouds were gone. Now this is the happy time. Okay, blue sky prevailing. Now you can see the beautiful blue sky, the clear sky. The rain is over and gone. The dark clouds, the rain, the heavy rain is gone, has gone, and everything that was difficult is ended now. Okay, so this is the second paragraph. Here, if I talk about the rhyming words, so you can find out crowing, flowing, rhyming words. Twitter, glitter is rhyming words. So you could understand, like I'm going to tell you something about rhyming scheme. What is rhyming scheme? Rhyme scheme or rhyming scheme is when the last two words, sound of the last words are same. Whenever it match, it called rhyme scheme. Like the first two sentences, sound of the first two sentences is same. Crowing, growing, this is A. Twitter, glitter, this is just different from first one or second one. Crowing, flowing, Twitter, glitter. But Twitter, glitter is same. Crowing, flowing is same. Okay, they both are same. So crowing and flowing, A. Twitter, glitter, B. In the sun, C, because it is not matching to crowing, it is not matching to Twitter. Now C. Youngest, strongest, again A. Grazing, raising, B. 1 C. So A B C. A B is the rhyme scheme. You do one thing, First of all, read the poem, write down difficult words, write down vocabulary. After writing it down, you will write the rhyming words, not rhyming scheme, rhyming words from the poem. And then in the next paragraph also, defeated, retreated, ill, hill, anon. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. And when you write defeated, you write retreated, and one more, completed. So you write one or two from the book, and third one you will add on your own. Okay, so this is your work. Now you do see the beautiful picture. Cattles are grazing, stream is flowing, cock is crowing, the words are twittering. Okay, so this is the picture that the poet has described through the poem. Now coming to the comprehension. Match the words describing action with a doer of the action. Means what is sailing, what is grazing, what is crowing, what is twittering, flowing, glittering, sleeping, and whooping. So this matching you will do on your own. I will send you in written. Okay, here we have done. So write down everything, do your homework properly, and send it to me.